Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for joining me. Today I'm going to be recreating a purple and gold eye makeup look that I did about 6 years ago. It is absolutely terrible and I don't know how I thought I could post this online. Yep, crazy girl. But first things first, I'm going to start off of course with my Urban Decay primer potion per usual. Just blend that over both eyes. Now taking my Beauty Bakerie Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette, I'm going in with the shade Mango Pudding. And I'm just going to go ahead and place that in the crease of my eye and blend that out. I'm using one of the Wet n Wild blending brushes. You can get that at like the dollar store. Going in with that same palette, I'm taking Warm Cocoa. It's a reddish brown color, and I'm placing that with a more defined, precise blending brush and placing that into my crease. And then I'm going to take my Wet n Wild blending brush that we use with Mango Pudding and just blend that together. Now I'm taking my Tarteist Pro Remix palette and I'm taking the shade Mashup, which is this really pretty sparkly purple shade. And I'm only placing it on the outer half of my eyelid. I don't want to bring it in because we're going to put the gold there. Now I'm taking this blending brush that I got from NYX or NYX Cosmetics and I'm just blending those colors together. And it's okay to go ahead and take your previous shades and pack them on again because sometimes they will lose its color. Oh. Next, I'm taking my Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette in the dark purple shade, super shimmery, really pretty, and I'm only placing that on the outer corners of the eye. Notice how I'm placing it in a V shape. This is just to give your eye more definition. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX brush, the blending brush, and just blend that all together. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Now I'm taking the Luxie 245 small shader brush and dipping that back into the Tarte palette into the shade Outside the Lines. It's a really bright gold color. Super shimmery, really pretty. Yeah, like you can see, mind blown. And notice how I'm placing it only in the first half of my eyelid. You don't want to go past that and cover the purple. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend that out, of course with that NYX blending brush, which I think is like one of the best brushes I've ever purchased. Ooh, cha, she is coming together. Now I'm going to go in with my Eyeko London I Do eyeliner. And when I tell you this was probably the hardest part of the entire makeup process. I really don't do eyeliner anymore, winged liner at that, because for this reason, I tend to mess up, like right there, look, too thick of a line. Yeah, not for me. Mama ain't raised no quitter, so of course we gonna try it until we get it right. That's a fact. Let's get it, let's get it. Y'all have no idea. Like, I spilled. I can't even talk. I can't even talk. I'm so frustrated. You know how many times I messed up on this eyeliner and had to redo it? Like, look at this. What? The struggle. Ooh, enough of that. So now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Shadow and Liner Duo Stick with the matte black and just line my waterline and the top of my eyelash line. I don't know if that made sense, but that just gives it the appearance of thicker lashes. And then taking the Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara, of course, just blend my falsies with my natural lash. And yes, we do the top and the bottom lashes over here. Then we're gonna go in and curl these damn lashes. Yes, mama. Blend them bitches, blend them bitches. Woo, after all the trials and errors, yeah, it's coming together. It's coming together. Watch. Watch this, watch this. Boom! And we back. Right. So I'm going to go in with the Pure Festival Palette. And we're going to take this shade 24K Magic. Just like this pussy. Woof, baby. Yes, this is straight up gold glitter. And we're just going to pop that right in the tear duct. You know what I'm saying? Give it a little nice little pop, pop, a pop, pop. And look at hey. She cute. She cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. Let me know what it is that y'all want to see next. Thank you, thank you, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Mwah. Bye.